How to play One Punch Man World on PC. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then download BlueStack. So you have to type BlueStack download, then you will see options there. But you have to make sure that this BlueStack that you're going to download is compatible with your device or your PC. Okay, so let me type BlueStack. And then what you want to do is to simply click the very first link that will appear right here. And again, you have to make sure that this one is compatible with your PC or device. Okay, once you tap this, all you have to do is to click this download BlueStack and it will appear right here that it is starting to download. And then once done, run this as administrator and then open this. So here you have to search for One Punch Man. Okay, so click the first one here and then tap this install on app player. Now you have to wait for a couple of minutes as it is installing. So tap install again and you just have to wait. Once done, you will see the play button here and it's now ready to play. But here's the thing. You have to change some of the settings so that the game itself is compatible with your device. So to do that, tap the gear icon right here and let's go first to gamepad. Okay, so for gamepad detection, you have to toggle this one on. For gamepad input, keep this auto, and then gamepad vibration, tap this or toggle this one on. For performance, CPU allocation, it depends on your CPU settings, or you have to set this according to the capability of your device. Also, same with memory allocation. But for performance mode, you have to set this as balance. For frame rate, you have to make sure that you know the frame rate of your device. To see that, to know that, all you have to do is simply go to your display settings, and then what you want to do is to go to advanced settings. Okay, so right click and then go to your device settings. Here you have to go to advanced display, and then down here you will see choose a refresh rate. So you should see that one right here. Okay, so after that you can now set your frame rate here and then save changes. Now once done, you can just leave some of the settings here. You don't need to change all, so leave it as a default. Now you can now open your One Punch Man game and see if it's working. If you want to change other things, or let's just say you encounter some problem inside while playing, you can go to the game settings itself. So tap the settings right here. And then for this one, you have to set your resolution to original, and then for refresh rate is 120. And then tap the game again. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.